Good morning children. Today we are going to start exercise 8.5 and question A is compare the fractions. First part is 3 upon 5 and 2 upon 4. We have to compare these two fractions. We will use cross multiplication method. When denominators are different, we use cross multiplication method or we take LCM. Here it is convenient to use cross multiplication method. So numerator and denominator we will multiply. Here numerator and denominator we will multiply. So 3 into 4 is 12 and 2 into 5 is 10. So which one is greater? 12 is greater than 10. Then we say 3 by 5 is greater than 2 by 4. Now second part is 2 by 3 and 1 by 4. Again we will use cross multiplication method. 2 into 4 is 8. 1 into 3 is 3. So 8 is greater than 3. Therefore we can say 2 by 3 is greater than 1 upon 4. In the same way you will do all parts. Question B is write in ascending order. Now first part is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 5 by 6 and 3 by 8. These four fractions are given and you have to arrange all these fractions in ascending order. Ascending order क्या होता है? Small to big. We have to move from smallest fraction to biggest fraction. So children, all denominators are different. So we will take LCM of 2, 4, 6 and 8. So the LCM of 2, 4, 6 and 8 we have found as 24. Now make equivalent fractions with denominator as 24. How to make equivalent fractions with denominator 24? So we will divide 24 and 2. What quotient we have got? 12. So we'll divide numerator and denominator by 12. 1 into 12 is 12 and 2 into 12 is 24. Now second one, 1 upon 4. We have to make equivalent fraction. 24 divided by 4 is 6. So we'll multiply numerator and denominator by 6. So 1 into 6 is 6. 4 into 6 is 24. Next is 5 upon 6. So 24 divided by 6 is 4. So numerator and denominator both will be multiplied by 4 and 4. 5 for the 20 and 6 for the 24. Next is 3 upon 8. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 3 and 3. So 3 3 the 9. So what fractions we have got? 12 upon 24, 6 upon 24, 20 upon 24, 9 upon 24. So we have seen that we have got equivalent fractions of 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 5 by 6 and 3 by 8 and having denominators 24, right? Or you can say we have converted these fractions into like fractions when all denominators are same. So which is the smallest numerator here? Which fraction has smallest numerator? 6 upon 24, then 9 upon 24, then 12 upon 24, then 20 upon 24. We write 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have arranged these fractions in the order. So smallest fraction is 1 by 4, then 3 by 8, then 1 by 2, then 5 upon 6. We will write in an order. So these fractions are arranged in ascending order now. 1 upon 4, then 3 upon 8, then 1 upon 2 and 5 upon 6. In the same way you will do all parts. Now question C is write in descending order. Descending order means big to small. So the first part is 3 upon 6, 2 upon 8, 1 upon 3 and 3 upon 4. So what we see, all denominators are different. 6, 8, 3 and 4. We will take LCM of all these denominators. We get as 24 as LCM. So the LCM of 6, 8, 3 and 4 is 24. Again we will make equivalent fractions with denominator as 24. So 3 upon 6, 2 upon 8, 1 upon 3 will be converted into equivalent fractions with denominator as 24. So 24 divided by 6 we get 4. So numerator and denominator both will be multiplied by 4. 3 4 the 12, 6 4 the 24. 24 divided by 8 is 3. So we will multiply numerator and denominator by 3 and 3. 2 3 the 6, 8 3 the 24. Now 1 upon 3 to be converted into equivalent fraction. 24 divided by 3 is 8. Numerator and denominator both to be multiplied by 8. 1 into 8 is 8. Now 3 upon 4. 24 divided by 4 is 6. We'll multiply numerator and denominator by 6 and 6. 3 6 the 18. 4 6 the 24. So we have got 12 upon 24. 6 upon 24, 8 upon 24 and 18 upon 24. Now we will arrange all these fractions, equivalent fractions in descending order. Descending order means big to small. The first fraction will be 18 upon 24, then 12 upon 24, then 8 upon 24, then 6 upon 24. So the corresponding fraction of 18 upon 24 is 3 upon 4. We will write in first. Then 3 upon 6 we will write. Then 1 upon 3 we will write. Then 2 upon 8 we will write. So the descending order is 3 upon 4, then 3 upon 6, then 1 upon 3, then 2 upon 8. In the same way you will do all parts. That's all for today. Bye-bye.